Everybody, I'm Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you through my Walmart grocery haul, and then at the end I'm going to show you what I was able to get clean in just 15 minutes. Alright, so here's everything that I picked up at Walmart. I spent $68.88 on everything that you see here. It was a little bit more expensive of a trip because I needed to get the razors and body wash. But first thing I got was several limes, 3 of them. I've been putting them in several recipes as well as water, and that's also why I picked up 2 more lemons. Then I grabbed some more bananas because my son has been going through them like crazy. And if there's ever a week where for some reason he doesn't go through them, I just make banana bread. I also grabbed a couple more cloves of garlic. I like this better than buying the 3-pack. I feel like they're fresher and they just look better and they're a little bit bigger. And then I picked up some more cereal. Like I mentioned, my husband, this is his like guilty late night snack. And then for the first time, we're going to be trying these lightly salted Great Value restaurant style tortilla chips to go with the fresh salsa that we've been picking up and loving from Walmart. I also grabbed more baby spinach because I've been putting it in my eggs, and I've realized that if I chop it up finely enough, I can sneak it into Ethan's scrambled eggs as well. And then we picked up 12 more of the organic large eggs, and then another big block of mozzarella cheese because we've been making a lot of pizzas at home, especially on the weekend. I also grabbed some more sharp cheddar because my husband and my son really like to just eat that shredded. They like it better than the pre-shredded cheeses. And then this basil made me laugh. It was a substitution. I had actually ordered the fresh basil plant and they didn't have one, so I got those instead, but that's fine. We'll use it. And then I got some more rice cakes. There's my son over there having lots of fun with the bags. But yeah, I got some more rice cakes. We eat those in the morning with cream cheese on top. And then I picked up more of the magnet bag clips because several of ours have broken. I also, like I mentioned before, grabbed more razors and body wash. That was why this was a little bit more expensive of a trip this time around. And I was feeling really into fall and the changing seasons. So instead of my normal coffee creamer, I picked up the Coffee Mate Peppermint Mocha. And that has been delicious. And then we were also out of milk. So vitamin D milk, regular, just great value for my husband. And then my son is drinking Lactate. And like I said, this was everything that I picked up at Walmart for under $70, which I was pretty happy with. I'm looking forward to next week when it's going to be a little bit less expensive. And again, this is everything for a family of 3. And now I need to go tackle that room back there. Yikes, those toys are out of control. And then here are the magnet bag clips, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do with them when they break, when they're no longer a magnet. I just use them to hang out my son's artwork because they're not, you know, the best quality. They separate sometimes. So I just save those little magnets and use it to hang up his artwork. And now I am moving on to show you what I was able to clean earlier in the day. I had only 15 minutes to get a few things done. I was torn between just sitting down and, you know, being on my phone for a little bit. I just wasn't sure what I could get done in 15 minutes, and so I decided to challenge myself and really hurry and see what I could get cleaned and picked up in 15 minutes. It actually took me like 13 minutes and 23 seconds to be exact, but let me give you some good cleaning motivation and you can see what I was able to get done in just a few minutes. So in the 15 minutes that I had to clean, I was able to empty and load the dishwasher, and I was able to get a lot of dusting done in our family room, as well as cleaning up and organizing my son's toys. I moved back into the kitchen after that and cleaned up the counters and got to scrub the fridge a little bit too. As you can see, I just used up one of my Method Antibac sprays, so I just opened it and dumped out the little bit that was left and let that sit on the counter for a few minutes. I'm pretty excited that I used it up because I'm actually looking forward to giving something else a try. I think I want to pick up some of the Mrs. Meyer's fall cleaners. So let me know which ones you're using and which ones that you're absolutely loving. If you enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. It was something in the air.